A lone hyena up against the power of a wild dog pack. She split from her clan to cover more ground in the search for food. Now it seems a risky strategy. Her phenomenal sense of smell can detect opportunity 2 miles away. Nearly 6 feet tall, 1,500 pounds, one Cape buffalo would feed her entire clan for a week. She can't take on a buffalo alone, but with primate-level intelligence, she can take a more strategic approach. Let her rivals control the game. Up to twice her size, 4 times her weight, lions are a hyena's greatest enemy. The smartest predator bides its time, and as night approaches, the tables turn. Lions have a reflective backing in their eyes, which gives them night vision 6 times stronger than our own, revealing a world we only see with super-sensitive cameras, and use the darkness to conceal their attack. Hyenas have excellent night vision too. All the better to watch as the lions do the hard work. Now, time to execute her plan. Bouncing her battle cry into the ground amplifies the sound, so it reaches super-sensitive ears up to 6 miles away. Harassing the lions distracts them and slows their feeding. But she must be careful. Alone, she's on the defensive. But with 20 of her clan behind her, it's time to make her move. Working together, the clan exhausts the pride. Lions know when they're beaten. With jaws that crush bones and stomachs strong enough to digest them,